We have been sent. Thank you very much for our Play-Doh. And you've got some cutters as well, haven't you? You got Christmas tree.
Yeah.
So we're playing with some Play-Doh this afternoon, aren't we?
Blue.
Wow. What colour's your Play-Doh? The tree's blue. And what's this colour?
Red.
Red. Good girl. What colour's yours, Max?
Green.
Green. Good boy.
Mama, three do that one,
Yeah.
And the Play-Doh. Three.
Wow, Max is doing, what's Max doing? We've got lots of animals here.
Crocodile.
Crocodile. We've got a teddy bear, we've got a duck,
I'll do that one.
we've got a giraffe, flower. Oh, what's that one? I don't know what that one is. A cat, alligator, fish. Molly's got the tree. Max, what's that one? A whale. I think it's a dolphin.
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Yeah. How do I take it out?
Wow, is it going to look like a dolphin? Yeah, I did it! A green dolphin swimming!
Hi.
Green. What's that? It's a rabbit, is it?
What?
A fox?
No.
You got a heart. You got a red heart. You're going to do a ducky.
Mommy's orange.
It is an orange ducky. Good girl. You could do a Christmas tree. Hiya. Hiya. Mason's gone shy. Hiya. Take that out of your mouth.
He did not say that.
I love playing with Play-Doh. So do I. It's fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
So Max is making a Christmas tree and Molly is making a duck. Wow, that's Max's Christmas tree. You gonna do fishy?
Yeah. Most that's Mummy.
It is red. Good girl. I don't know what that is. What does everyone think this is?
A bit like the turtle.
Oh, actually, is it a turtle? No. I don't know what that is.
Mummy, that turtle.
I don't know.
Mummy is turtle. Maybe I should do no. I don't know what that is either.
That's a duck.
But really, Mummy.
What's Max making? What are you making? You got circles there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Molly? What's Molly doing?
Mummy.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's a red giraffe.
I bet I will squash it.
You're gonna squash it.
Hey, I bet I will do a bigger one. This is our mummy.
You can do a wiggly worm, Max.
What is it?
Play-Doh's so fun, isn't it? You can make lots of different shapes and sizes. You can make different animals. You can make different colours.
I don't know.
Wiggly worms!
Now what worm? No, it's a circle.
You've got a circle.
No.
Wow.
Maybe this is our mama.
I'm going to put it there a minute.
No, but this is separate.
Okay. Wow, lots of wiggly worms there. They look like sausages.
Yeah. No, that bubble pubes.
Yummy. Wow. You've got lots of pepperoni. Yummy. Wow, look at all of that. Max made lots of pepperoni there. Are you going to make yours into pepperoni as well? Your green one?
I did it.
Wow, you did
I
it.
will do my ears now.
You can do the green one now.
Yeah.
So you can have green and red.
Yay!
Yay! Let's make pepperoni pizza!
Yeah.
Yay!